You will see how fast and easy BigDataRevealed allows you to set up and run against Oracle using Spark 2.4.3, JDBC, and BigDataRevealed and Apache Hadoop 3.1, and process a citizen's request for their right of erasure, the encryption of personal data based on its patterns, and another quick example of viewing, analyzing BigDataRevealed's comprehensive metadata catalogs. First, I want to validate for you that there is data in row 1 for Lisa and also show that none of the data in either table 1 or 2 is encrypted. These two tables will be the input for both the citizen's request for their right of erasure and for the general encryption of several personal information patterns. So, when we view the written tables back to this database, we know the expected results. Our expected results will be Lisa's information erased that she asked to be erased, and for the data, based on the personal data patterns, the user selected to be encrypted, have been encrypted. Now let's simply establish our connection to the input database, in this case Oracle. We will then select the process we want to run, in this case, the citizen's right of erasure, and then click on the drop-down box and select to write the results back to the originating database, again Oracle. We now need to add the database schema. Now let's click Test the connection. The connection is successful. Now we added the values the citizen Lisa wanted erased as her right of erasure is being exercised, and now, we click Run, to run the job. Now as we look at the results of Lisa's right of erasure, we see that in Table 1 in Oracle, Row 1, Lisa's information is now erased and gone as requested and as her right under CCPA and GDPR depending on where one lives and where the data originated from. Now as we look at Table 2, however, we see that there are still a few columns in Row 1 where the rest of Lisa's data originated and was deleted from in Table 1. This occurred for Lisa did not request this specific data to be deleted. This is a valid reason as a citizen to first request the information a company has of yours. Now let's look at one of the most important attributes of BigDataRevealed, its metadata catalogs. Here we are viewing what is stored in the Oracle database about all previous BigDataRevealed jobs. Here we can see down to the column and even row or rows what information was deleted from Lisa's request for her right of erasure. Now we will discover the Oracle table's information for patterns of citizens' personal information. As always, we will populate the necessary connection parameters to the data source, though this time we will select the button for data encryption, not right of erasure. This will change the options in the drop-down box. Here we will now select to encrypt the data that meets the pattern criteria for emails, IP addresses and social security numbers, and write the tables back to the Oracle database. Then we run the process. As we now look at the two tables in the Oracle database that we processed to encrypt the values that matched the patterns of emails, IP addresses and social security numbers, we can see in the first Oracle table these values are encrypted as they should be. Again, as we look at the second Oracle table in the Oracle database, we see that the email, IP address and social security values are also encrypted as they should be based on the user's selection of the citizen's GDPR personal information patterns from the BigDataRevealed library. Now let's look at one of the most important attributes of BigDataRevealed, its metadata catalogs. Here we are viewing what is stored in the Oracle database about all previous BigDataRevealed jobs. Here we can see down to the column and even row or rows what information was encrypted and by what pattern requested it was encrypted by. Previously you have seen MySQL and DB2 and now the Oracle database. Soon you will see Microsoft's SQL Server, Postgre, and Teradata databases for CCPA and GDPR. Reach Steve at 847-791-7838 for more information.